Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. I mean that sincerely because it has been absolutely crazy. We're excited to know that we've gotten through COVID, know that we as a society can get through just about anything. And we're very excited to be here, very excited to still be in business, very excited to serve you, the homeowners. And so today we're out at Harvest Meadows. Harvest Meadows is located over in Lowell, off Alden Nash. It's between Virgins and Fulton Street there. So if you know where the Myers is, take a left and head down Alden Nash there, right before the high school. We're on the right-hand side. We've done extremely well at Harvest Meadows. Phase 1 is sold out. Right now, all we have left is 5 sites, home sites left in Phase 2. And the exciting news is they're actually working today, and we're going to be paving Phase 3 probably late this fall. So September, October is when we're going to have Phase 3 open. That's another 32 sites that we're going to have open to serve that individual who wants to live out in that Lowell community. The other thing we're doing right now is we are opening back up. We are fully open to serve you. We're going to be open every Saturday and Sunday. I want you to check the websites, but every Saturday and Sunday for sure. And then some weekday hours as well. It looks like I'll probably be there on Monday nights as well, so you're welcome to stop out. Check the website, eastbrookhomes.com. Better yet, give me a call, Jeff Costello, 616-293-9527. Look forward to seeing you in Lowell. Bye.